Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage your team and customers in QuickBooks Time. This is essential for organizing your workforce efficiently and tracking time against specific projects or clients. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, head over to QuickBooks Time and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your management tools live. Look for the My Team option in the main menu and click it. This section is your central hub for managing all your team members and their settings. If you need to add a new team member, you'll see an option to click Add Team Members. Now, here's something important to note. Since QuickBooks Time is integrated with QuickBooks Online, clicking this will redirect you to the QuickBooks Online Employee section. For this tutorial, we'll skip adding a new employee and focus on managing the team members you already have in place. To customize permissions for your existing team members, go back to My Team and select the specific team member you want to adjust. Once you've clicked on them, look for the Permissions option. This is where you can control what each person can see and do within QuickBooks Time. Make your desired changes and click Save to apply them. Now let's organize your team into groups. Navigate to My Team and then select Groups and Managers. This feature helps you categorize team members by department, project, or any structure that makes sense for your business. Click Add Group, enter a name for your group, and click Save. Once your groups are created, you can assign team members to them. Go back to My Team, select a team member, and you'll see a group drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate group from this drop-down and click Save. This makes it much easier to manage permissions and track time by department or team. Next, let's set up your customers. Click on Customers in the main menu, then click Add. This is where you'll add the customers or projects that your team will be tracking time against. Each customer entry becomes a category your team can log hours to. If you need to add sub-customers, which is useful for tracking different projects under the same main client, simply click the plus button next to the corresponding main customer on the right side of the column. This creates a hierarchical structure that keeps your time tracking organized and detailed. Finally, take a moment to review everything. Check your team list, your groups, and your customer entries to make sure everything is properly set up for time tracking. This ensures your team can start logging hours accurately right away. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.